says, next example says, make actually 7-bit adder. Using two 4-bit adder. So again, you don't need to actually write. Yeah, it should be easy, right? After these explanation, the previous examples, you should be actually just comfortable to immediately design that. So what you have is 4-bit adder. This is the first one. So this is actually the second one. Again, this is 4-bit adder. So what you want to do, you want to do this. This is X. This is X0, X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, X6. You don't have 7, right? That's just actually 7-bit. So the same thing, Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, and Y6. So you add these two numbers, you got S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, and probably C7. Okay, C7. If you actually make a carry, that means you add two 7 bits, you got 8 bits. It should be C7. Okay, so back to here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have one carry in, the same story. 1, 2, 3, 4 input. 1, 2, 3, 4 input here. You have the carry in here. Okay, you tell me what we should do. What should be the input of these 4? What we connect to these 4? So see back here, whenever you want to add, yeah, definitely. You could say, okay, I need to add these 4 bits with these 4 bits, right? So that means definitely it should be X0, X1, X2, X3 with Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. This could be C in, no problem, okay? Oh no, okay. Okay. So whatever you got here, so definitely it should be S0, it should be S1, it should be S2, should be S3. Okay. So you tell me where I need to connect this, the C4 that I got here, it should be connected where? This C4 go connect to where? So this C4 means the carry that you have from X3, Y3 definitely should be add here, right, in these locations. So that means this should be the carry in for the next adder. For the next adder, you don't have 4, you just have 3, right? So you just put the 0 for the last one. It looks actually you put the 0, 0 here, okay? So I put the 0, 0 there, so that means it should be X4, X5, X6. It should be Y4, Y, oh no, 5, and Y6, okay? So that's it. So whatever you have in the output, it should be S4, S5, S6. Just be careful. The next one should be C7, and you never use these fifth output that usually we have for C4, right? So that means one of these outputs should be C7 and no use for this that we have here, okay? So this is what we have for today.